Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab E10 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And right now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's try to find the options. Maybe as you can see in this device, we have to swipe our finger from the left to the center, at least in this position. So let's try to do it. And here we have to find a proper option, countdown. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got 4 different options in total, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on it and it will be immediately notified here. Let's go back, and now we can freely tap on this camera icon, so the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, of course you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just tap on the countdown and choose off. After getting back, you can see that the device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.